PTC Creo Flexible Modeling Extension, or FMX, combines the ease of direct modeling with the control of parametric 3D CAD, allowing you to make changes to existing 3D models quickly and easily while preserving the original design intent. Typical design changes include the need to move and modify geometry. Note how quick and easy it is to select, relocate, and change the orientation of this attachment point. And FMX handles complex changes like these without impacting the existing parametric characteristics. What's more, FMX streamlines the process of making changes to all types of 3D CAD data, including models with no built-in intelligence whatsoever. In modifying the shape of these geometries, note that the parent-child relationship between them remains intact, so the changes propagate automatically. Using shape recognition, FMX lets you select the geometry you want to change with just a few clicks instead of having to pick each surface separately. This saves you a lot of time. For example, you can revise the number of these mounting holes very easily. After recognizing this feature as a cut and the 5 cuts as a pattern, all you need to do is change the number of instances from 5 to 3. There's no need to redefine or reconstruct the model in any way. Symmetry recognition offers yet another way to accelerate the design change process. Say you want to eliminate 2 of the ribs and space the other 4 equally. Using boss and round shape selection, you can first execute the removal. Then you can recognize the remaining inner ribs as symmetric so that if you relocate one, the change will automatically propagate to the other. And you can add new dimensions and constraints schemes to your design. You also have the ability to maintain tangent connections to adjacent geometry when you make modifications, in this example, changing the profile of a rib. This option is available with FMX-specific tools such as Move, Offset, Modify Analytic, and Substitute. When making a change, the system provides default conditions on the adjacent geometry, but you can change these conditions to suit your needs, such as maintaining a constant radius or staying in a fixed location while maintaining a tangent connection to the adjacent geometry. This change is then propagated to the patterned rib. Another way to select geometry is based on rules. Using geometry rules, you can pick the cylindrical surface on the side of this rib and then find all other geometries with an equal radius value so that all these rounds can be edited in a single step. This is a huge time saver. Without FMX, this would be a much more difficult change. FMX also makes it easier to simplify the geometry of your model for downstream engineering. For instance, you can eliminate the logo instantly by selecting the top surface, recognizing the shape, and removing it. Without FMX, you might have had to redefine all the geometry, and if it had been an imported model, the task would have been even more time-consuming. Finally, when the assembly is regenerated, all relationships and constraints are updated. Notice how the pattern of the bolts is now 3, reflecting your design revisions. PTC Creo Flexible Modeling Extension streamlines product development by speeding the process of making late-stage design changes, as well as accelerating the redesign of existing products without sacrificing design intent.